Hey, what's going on? You know who it is. It's Bruce Short, the Michael Jordan Hotels. Today we have FLYR in the building. They're going to tell us everything we need to know how to get your company to fly away. Get those revenues flying, baby. What's going on, Andrew? How you doing, buddy?
I'm good. Thanks for having me.
So how did you guys get started in this business?
Well, I mean, we're a revenue management platform and business intelligence solution. In 2016, when AI was really big in the tech space, not big everywhere else,
Yeah.
we thought there was a better way to approach revenue management. So created a ground up AI-based solution.
Nice, nice. Now, what are the three main benefits that your company's offers for the hotel industry?
There's a lot of benefits. Three main. Look, it's deep science. We've got we are AI from the ground up. Most of the systems out there, they're very good. I've used them all. Base algorithms of 2 years in history, 12-week trends. We have a difference learning algorithm against each rate category and room type. So we're able to basically get really, really granular with micro targeted pricing. And because of that, we don't need those lead times. We can get a hotel up and running in literally week to 10 days.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I've seen 6 months to a year. So these other companies. So that's very, very impressive. What if there was one main selling point that you would say that makes you stand out, that you want everybody to know about your company? What do you think that would be?
It all starts with data. It's super granular data, which allows us to do everything from a revenue management standpoint and a business intelligence standpoint. So we get data down to the room type and rate code, every transaction. We get it in, we can slice and dice it any way possible. We can analyze it any way possible. So you can have, industry leading pricing, forecasting. And now there was a thing on stage today. I want to just ask the system a question. You can just ask our system a question like ChatGPT.
Wow.
Saying, what's my performance looking like next month? And you'll get a full page. You're right now have 2.4% on the books over last year. We're forecasting 3.2. This is what you do in a group. Here's the 5 things you should do. So
that is crazy. Crazy. I've never heard of that before.
It's live.
I'm glad I asked you that question. How can everybody get in touch with you?
Well, you obviously contact me, Andrew Rubinacci, but it's FLYR. We're a cool tech company, so it's FLYR, no E.com. And Andrew Rubinacci, 678-576-9775, or Andrew.Rubinacci, Rubinacci, at FLYR.com.
And thank you for joining us for another episode. This is Bruce Short, the Michael Jordan Hotels, signing out. Hey, what's going on? It's Bruce Short, the hotel revenue expert. I just want to take a quick second to thank you for watching this video. If you could just do us a big favor and just subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more videos like this, more information, great information about hotels. I'm also the author of the Hotel Revenue Bible. You can get that book on hotelrevenuebible.com. And we are here to answer all your questions. So if you have any questions, just shoot us a quick text at 321-321-2002. That's 321-321-2002. And you can book a revenue call. Go to hotelrevenuecall.com and we can answer any and all your questions. Just make an appointment with me. You'll do one-on-one with me. You'll be able to do one-on-one with me, and we could go ahead and get all your questions answered and see if you have any revenue issues that needs to be resolved. Talk to you soon. Thank you again. Hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate you.